In this video, I will show you how I managed to convert my Python script into a Windows program. Before that, make sure you update your Visual C++ redistributable. Also, I was using auto-py-to-exe instead of pyinstaller. Once it's finished, you will have a folder containing the exe file. In my case, my Python script needed Customtkinter. So when I click the exe file, the error message popped up. Take a look at the error message. You'll notice that some files from the Customtkinter folders were missing. Your scripts might be different from mine. Just check the error message that fits your case. Here I navigate to my virtual environment, dig inside the lib folder, copy and paste the Customtkinter folders inside my programs folder. Now when you click it, you'll see the program run. Simply grab a paragraph, hit convert, and there will be multiple lines. When you export to file, you will pop up a file dialog. Save it with your defined file name, and you should see the file ready. Alright, hopefully it helps. Ciao.